Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting video of the Sublimation Focus. In today's video, we will help you find the best 3D printer for home use. The main output of 3D printing is a physical object, so you want to ensure you get a printer that will give you the best quality prints. With so many different models and designs, knowing which is the right choice for you can be tricky. To help out your needs, we've done some research and have come up with our top 5 picks for 3D printers that are perfect for home use. This 3D printer is easily used in any condition in home and is ideal for small objects with a maximum build volume. For your help, we have included the link to each printer in the description box below so you can purchase the 3D printer without the hassle. The best thing is that these given links are updated daily to ensure you get the best deals in town. So without further ado, let's dive into our list. Number 1 is CR-5 Pro H Creality Large Desktop FDM 3D Printer. CR-5 Pro H Creality Large Desktop FDM 3D Printer is an excellent choice for those who want to explore the world of 3D printing at home. With its large 300 by 225 by 380 mm build volume, this printer can easily handle even XL-sized projects. Its high-temperature extruder of up to 300 degrees Celsius makes it compatible with a wide range of filaments, including PLA, ABS, PETG, Nylon, and Polycarbonate. One of the best things about the CR-5 Pro H is that it comes fully assembled and is safe to use. With its enclosed design, the printer can be set up quickly and easily, allowing you to start printing within minutes. Moreover, the BLTouch automatic bed leveling, wireless connectivity, filament runout sensor, and resume printing function provide a hassle-free experience for active users. This 3D printer is reliable and easy to use, making it suitable for beginners and professionals. From parents who want to teach their kids new skills to industrial users who prototype 24/7, the CR-5 Pro H offers an affordable and effective solution. With its robust construction, user-friendly features, and excellent print quality, this printer is undoubtedly one of the best home use options. So if you want to get this printer, check the link in the description below to buy it.